Good morning, you guys. I just finished doing a video. It is 6:40 in the morning. I'm about to go to work. I figured I would do like a day in the life, take you guys along with me for today, just because why not? I haven't done one of those on a work day in a while, so that's what I'm gonna do. I did my review on the Fenty powders, so throughout this vlog you guys will get updates on the powder and how I feel about them, I should say. But yeah, let's get ready for work because we have to go. Turn off these lights. I don't always film in the morning, but today I had no choice just because I didn't get to film last night and I really wanted to film this video. I'm gonna wear this Gucci perfume. Alright y'all, so I just threw on my scrubs. I'm wearing black scrubs today. I mostly just wear black scrubs. I'm gonna throw on this sweater. This is from Juicy Couture. I got it at Kohl's like a couple years ago. But I like wearing sweaters to work because it's so cold. Otherwise, I will have a miserable day and I'll be miserable all day long. So I'm gonna wear a sweater. I do have a scrunchie here. So for perfume, I'm gonna use my Gucci Gardenia, Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. I don't know if I showed you guys this perfume when I got it, but I got it. It smells really good. It's a little different than my typical like go-to scents, but I do like it. I'm gonna wear my Apple Watch. I always forget this thing. I never charge it. I forget all about it. But I found it last night, but I charged it last night, so I'm gonna wear it today. This is all my goods here. I think I'm just gonna use this bag today. I'm gonna take this whole bottle with me. My keys, wallet, Tic Tacs, charger. I'm just throwing everything in here. Oh my gosh, put the seat warmer on. It is so cold. I start working in an hour, so I have an hour to drive down to the city, which is enough. Like I get there in 40 minutes, but I don't have time to go to Starbucks. Anyways, I'm gonna let the car just get yeah, I was listening to Beyonce throwbacks the other day. All right, so I'm gonna start driving. I'll talk to you guys later. I don't think I have anything else to tell you except the fact that I didn't put sunscreen on this morning. Here's the thing, I usually do not wear makeup to work because of COVID and the mask thing. I don't really bother wearing makeup to work, so I usually just throw sunscreen on my face right before I leave the house. But I put makeup on today and I forgot that I forgot to put sunscreen under the makeup. So here I am with no sunscreen, with no sun protection. So I just got to the city and I just parked the car in the garage. I'm gonna go pay the garage and then we're gonna go inside to work at 7:45, so I made it on time. Well, I have like 15 minutes to get inside, but yeah, we made it and we're gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later. So I just got off of work. I am on my way home now and it is so cold. My hands are freezing. So I just got home. I picked up a pack of ground turkey at the supermarket. I'm gonna go change. I gotta take a shower and then we're gonna cook. So this is my ground turkey. I'm gonna season it in the pot because I don't got time, girl. Olive oil in here. Oh, it has fat in there. It's ground turkey, but I just added a little bit. I just use this and then I use one of these. This is like a life change. This is a game changer for ground turkey. Like it really cuts the meat up really well, like any ground meat. I'm gonna add some of the taco mix. This is from one of the boxes that we had last time.
Was that for your birthday?
So I'm working on my description box. I'm just gonna add in the links. I did the Fenty powder and I'm gonna add all the other products that I mentioned in the description box right now. So Callie and I are hanging out. We're playing playing this game. It's called Guess in 10. It's really fun. Yeah, grandma got this on Amazon upstairs for Callie for Christmas, and it's super fun. Let me show you guys. So basically there's different ones, so they have like cities and different things like that. This is the animal ones. Callie loves animals, so basically like you have to guess what the animal is on the card, and there's like clues and stuff. But yeah, it's really, really fun. I think it's a cool game. Callie loves it. Hey y'all, so I just sat at my desk and I was looking at my face. It's definitely shiny now, but I just want to point out that, let me see what time it is, because it's really late. It's 7:30, you guys, and I've been wearing this makeup since 5:30 this morning. So it's been, how many hours is that? 12, 13, 14 hours. And I feel like this is crazy. Like I did not blot my face one bit. I mean, I could blot right now, obviously, because I am pretty shiny. But I just am so amazed at how good this looks for all these hours. Let me turn this light on. Yeah, I feel like it still looks good for being on so long. I'm gonna blot a bit. Well, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take off my makeup. I'm gonna wash my face in a little while, but I'm just really amazed at this foundation. Anyways, this is the Fenty one right here. I use the shade 410 for the most part. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open. I brought my camera because I got a package from Urban Decay. It looks like they sent me this new foundation. So I just used my little puff to like blot my face a bit. I should use blotting sheets, but this is the card here. It says, "Do it for the gram. Naked, Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. 12 shades. It's a tinted moisturizer, so typically those don't come in a ton of shades. So they only sent me one shade. I hope this one matches. They sent me 80, deep 80. Did I pick this? I don't remember, y'all. I think I wore 70 in their other foundation, but this is what the bottle looks like. Or maybe since it's a tinted moisturizer, it won't matter too much. You know what? Actually, it's not that bad. This is it here. It looks pretty good in terms of color. Okay, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna try this out probably tomorrow. It's 24-hour hydration, 24-hour coverage, and 24-hour glow, and it's also vegan. And yeah, these are the shades. It's 12 shades, but I do think it's an even amount of shades. It's, you know, they have 4 deep shades, they have 4 like medium shades, and like 4 lighter shades. So I like balance, in my opinion. Like if you're gonna do 12 shades, just do it balanced. And when it comes to tinted products, it's hard to do a ton of shades because there's not as much coverage, so you're gonna be able to kind of have one shade work for a few different skin tones because it doesn't give a lot of pigment typically. So hopefully this is the case with this product. Then I have this package from Farfetch, and this came all the way from France. I've wanted to go to France for so long, but I have not made it over there. Hopefully eventually we can make it to France. Does this box look familiar to you guys? I definitely showed you guys a pair of these the other day, but this is what I got. You open it, this is what's on the inside. I don't think I showed y'all the last one because I didn't unbox it with you guys, but there's a dust bag, and then these are the shoes. Yeah! So this is what they look like, and they are very basic in the sense that there's not much going on. There's not much color going on, but I wanted something like this so that I could wear with different outfits. So this one is just gray. Does have some silver on the back right here, and then this side is plain. The tongue is also plain because sometimes it has the little black logo. This one is like indented with the logo right here, but I really like it. Yeah, I think I want a gold pair, like something with some gold on it instead of the silver. I do love these, and I'm definitely gonna get some good use out of this pair, so yeah. Hey y'all, happy new year. Today is Saturday. I just got done doing my nails. This is what I did today. I like it. Love. All right, so I'm gonna make some coffee because I actually didn't get to make any earlier. We're just gonna do cold brew. I got some yesterday at Whole Foods. I got some at Whole Foods yesterday. I got this kind. I never tried it before, but hopefully it's good. It's a medium roast. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add a little bit of this because it's literally only a little bit left. I have a couple other creamers back there, but I don't think I want to use them. So yeah. Oh, I also got this at Whole Foods yesterday. I was so excited. So I love this drink, and I saw they had the big bottle. It's the Mighty Dozen. It has these 5 ingredients: apple, celery, cucumber, kale, and collard greens, and it tastes like pretty okay to me. Like, it's not disgusting to me, and it's really good for you. That's the only ingredients in here. That's my mascara syrup. This is my drink. You guys, it's so messy over here. It's always messy, but today's exceptional. It tastes pretty good. All right, so let me give you guys an update on my little filming room area situation. So I like to make changes in here to make things more functional every so often. So I ordered 2 new things for my area, and the first thing is going to be a mirror. So I got it from Ikea. It's actually getting delivered today, and I'm so excited for it. I also ordered a new filming chair, but that comes in later on this week from Amazon, and I'll show you guys it when I get it. I'm gonna move this thing to my back room and just probably eventually get rid of it, but for now it's gonna go in the back room. That's where everything goes that I don't know what to do with. And then let me just open this up because it's pretty nice out today. I'm gonna try this lotion. I'm actually on my computer right now. I am on Boohoo shopping. I wanted to see what they had in, you know, this season or this week, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out real quick. I got this at Ulta last week. I don't know if I showed you guys my Ulta haul that I got last weekend. I don't know, but I got this. I got another one of these because I lost mine, and I love this thing. It's amazing for when I want to do lashes really quickly. I also picked up these lashes from Kiss. These are the chiffon lashes. So oh my gosh, you guys, also I got this perfume. Let me show you guys. It smells so good. This is Gucci Flora right here. Let me just add, let me turn my light on because I need a little bit more light. Okay, so this is Gucci Flora. It smells amazing. This is actually it's Gorgeous Gardenia, but it's not, this is a limited edition bottle. So I was sold a regular bottle. It's just like a see-through bottle, but every year they come out with a limited edition version of it in the holiday season, and this is the one that they did this year. So I feel like I was wearing this sweater in my last vlog. If I was, it's just, it is what it is. I love this sweater. I'm always wearing it, and chances are you're gonna catch me wearing it if I'm vlogging. So I found it, you guys. This is the Gucci by Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. This is the actual like regular bottle for it. Let's see, this is the one that I have right here. Let's see, this one. By the way, thank you guys so much for all the compliments on my hair. Ooh, it smells like sugar and coconut. Wow, this is definitely an intense hand cream. It says hand cream intense on here. They were not lying. They were not lying about the intense part. It's very like thick, and this is what I need because y'all watch my videos, y'all who watch my vlogs or my videos in general, you know my hands are always ashy because I'm always washing them, and I'm using a lot of hand sanitizer. I work in a hospital, so they're always ashy. Regular lotion does not do anything for my hands. Girl, this is amazing. Wow. So I definitely need a couple of these from my handbags. First of all, I love the smell, and I love how thick these are. I think I might be going to Ulta today to get a couple more of these because I have like 3 bags that I use in rotation, and I need 1 in each bag. So while you weren't looking, I went to the supermarket. All right, so I just went to the supermarket again to get some stuff. We're gonna do tacos, so I just got some salsa, I got some guacamole, and then I got this stuff in here, and my favorites. I love these. Clay, what you doing?
I'm building a Lego Minecraft set.
Patiently waiting for my Ikea to arrive. The mirror is here. So here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, it is huge. So this is the mirror. I took it out the box. It is so huge. I can't believe it's like so huge that it doesn't even seem like it's a mirror. It's just like huge, a huge space. So I really love that. It goes up really high, and I did want to paint the edges gold to match my decor, but looking at it now, it kind of blends into the white wall. Next to the wall, the silver looks white basically, so I feel like I don't necessarily need to paint it gold. I'm gonna put this in the back room, but for now I love it. I cannot wait to do like outfit pictures in here. I have a full mirror. If I put you guys vertical, full mirror for outfit pictures. You can't even see the border of the mirror. That's how wide it is. I love it.